If the land's original use has been changed, say from agricultural to residential purpose, don't buy. That land may be revoked. If the land has no proper documentation with the edges, don't buy. The documents could be fake. If the building approval plan has been altered or the property does not have an approved survey plan, don't buy. The property may be at risk of demolition. And yet, those are not the only concerns you should have when it comes to investing your money in properties in Abuja. Hey guys, my name is Yebo. In this video, I'm going to share with you the properties that are up for grabs, the ones that are for sale and the ones that are for rent, what title documents to expect when buying specific kinds of properties in the city of Abuja. I will also show you how to verify those documents in the place called AGIS, Abuja Geographic Information System, in the city. So, come right with me as I show you the properties that are up for grabs. If you want to buy a property in an already developed estate like the one I'm about to show you, the title document you should expect from the developer is called Deed of Assignment. The reason is that in one estate, there is only one CFO, that is Certificate of Occupancy, which is the highest title document you expect from a land or a building. But the title called Deed of Assignment transfers ownership from the seller to the buyer of a portion of land that is already developed. We are now inside the estate. This title document, once obtained, must be registered with AGIS. What this means also is that before you pay for a land or a developed property, you need to write to AGIS requesting information on that property you want to pay for, to be sure that someone else has not already paid for it, and register the deed of assignment with AGIS. As you do, provide the information you already possess from the seller of the property, including the plot number, the file number, the name of the seller, the certificate of occupancy number, and so on. Then pay the verification fee as it applies. AGIS will verify and send you a report detailing the information that is available on that plot of land or on the unit of house you want to buy, including information concerning any encumbrances on that property. Some estate developers also issue a title called Irrevocable Power of Attorney, but that covers the land upon which the building is standing. So sometimes you may be given deed of assignment and irrevocable power of attorney. If there is already a building on that plot of land, you can only register deed of assignment. But if there is no building on that land, you can only register irrevocable power of attorney with AGIS. Let me know in the comment section if you need further clarification on this. Let's check out one of the buildings that is for sale in this estate. So guys, this is the first floor, the ground floor. This is the living room area. Each unit in this estate is 4-bedroom fully detached duplex, and there is a BQ just behind the building attached to this main building. This is a very fine work. It's still about to be finished, but most of the work is done. And this is the kitchen, well lit. There's a heater, there's an evacuator, you can see the sink, there is oven and kitchen cabinet. Let's go up to the next floor. There's also another living room area here. Fine POP work. Lovely Spanish tiles used in this building. Let's see. This is the staircase leading to the next floor. There's a room here. The wardrobe is still being done. Very fine POP work. Still under construction. A lot of work still going on here. Let's check out this other room. See, workers are still sleeping in this unit, so you can see some of the items still left here. Their nets, their sleeping nets, still fine POP work. Lovely, lovely, and well lit. Like it. And the owner of this particular unit really spent time on the tile and work and the POP work. It's very tasteful. Very tasteful. Fine room. Let's go to the next floor and see what's up there. Wow, yet another living room. So for every floor there is a living room, and POP and lights. Electrician is still trying to fix a few things. Let's see this room. Okay, so this is yet another room. This should be the last room on the floor, the fourth room. There's a closet. And, yeah, fine, beautiful. There's the convenience. The entire unit of the estate are connected to water board, so that's the source of water to them. This unit is going for 400 million naira. So here is the balcony with the beautiful sit out. So that is it about this building and this estate. There are so many units that are up for sale. You can come and check them out. On to the next estate for sale, guys. All the properties I show in this video are in the Gilmore neighborhood of Jahi district. So this is the entrance to the house. There's no NEPA light, no power. So you guys have to bear with me. This is the visitor's toilet. This is the main entrance to the living room area. This is a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ attached to the back. This is what the living room looks like. This house is selling for 250 million naira. And let's go to the kitchen. There's no power once again, so I hope you're able to see what I'm showing you. Here is the kitchen. There's a store to the left the moment you access the kitchen where you can keep food. Here is the kitchen cabinet. There's an exit door to the back. But let's go upstairs and see what's there. So this is the next floor. To my right is the first room. Oh, it's actually a small living room area. Here is the room. There's a balcony to it. There is a balcony from which you can see the neighborhood. So let's go back to the room. This is the closet to this room. There's a closet here. And then here is the toilet. There's a restroom for this particular left flat. So it's 1 bedroom with a living room area, a small living room area, and there is another room to the left. Here is the wardrobe, and here is the toilet. Here is the convenience. Let's go to the next floor of the house and see what's up there. So to my immediate left, there's another room. There's the third room in this building. Closet and convenience. Let's go to the other room on the right. This is yet another room, the fourth room in the building with a closet. And a restroom. It's quite beautiful in here. So, like, this is the master bedroom. And there's a balcony to the master's bedroom. There's a balcony where you can still see the neighborhood from. Here's what the compound looks like from up. That's the neighborhood. So guys, tell me what you think about this particular one. Here's what the building looks like from the outside. This is our last house in this video and it's for rent. This is 14 million naira per annum. So this is the entrance to the building. This is visitor's toilet. Right to your next right the moment you walk in. And there's a passage. To the left, immediate left is the living room. Here's the dining. Then to the kitchen. There's a store, food store for the kitchen here. You have the kitchen, and the kitchen have cabinets in the kitchen. So there's a guest room downstairs here. This is the guest room with a toilet. Let's go upstairs. A small study room or living room area again, but to my right is the first room. Toilet to the immediate right one once you enter the room. And if you go further, you see the next room, the second room upstairs, with the toilet to my immediate left the moment you walk into the room. There are air conditioner in all of the rooms and the living room and dining area. So let's go to the third room. This is the third room. That's it. But this building. If you have attached any value to this video, please hit the like button for me and subscribe if this is your first time on this channel so that much more people can get to see this video and benefit just like you have done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.